Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at l'Université Ali University of Leadership in Algeria. Today we are going to present our second lecture titled What is Banking? So I have divided my second lecture into the following elements as follows. What is banking? What is financial depth? Language activities including building vocabulary, and finally, your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is banking? The term bank can refer to many different types of financial institutions, including bank and trust companies, savings and loan associations, credit unions, or any other type of institution that accepts deposits. What is financial depth? Financial depth captures the financial sector relative to the economy. It is the size of banks, other financial institutions, and financial markets in a country taken together and compared to a measure of economic output. Language activities, the word banking as a noun and also as an uncountable noun means the business activity of banks. For example, Hidayah is thinking about a career in banking. The software is used in banking. I mainly use the internet banking service. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessments, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.